If you look to the right-hand side of that photo, that is Jack Miller's helmet almost stuck underneath the tail of Fabio Quartararo's bike. And if you know anything about racing, that's not how that's supposed to go. Now, this comes from the Malaysian Grand Prix, who, as I'm recording this, happened today. If you watch this, it's kind of hard to see, but you can catch it right there. His head just gets like stuck in the back wheel, and his helmet gets ripped right around. It's not a very good thing, and it's not his fault at all. If you watch that, somebody hits Quartararo, and Quartararo just hits Miller because he's on the inside, and there's nowhere to go. But this is slow-mo if you want to see it better. Somewhere right there. Little contact, sends Quartararo in. Miller's head gets stuck on the tire, which obviously is going forward, and spins his helmet right around. It's incredible. There's pictures of him up and walking. He went to the medical center, and I actually don't know any update on that. But comment down below if you've heard if he's okay or not. But as far as I saw, he was up and walking and moving by himself, so that's always a good sign. And that's extremely scary. That photo, just to have the helmet turned 45 degrees around, actually 90 degrees, on somebody's head. And it could have been a lot worse, let's be honest. It could have gotten stuck in the tire, could have been like broken arm, broken neck, could have been a lot of things. So you got to say, knock on wood, good that he actually did get up and he wasn't completely, well, let's just say a lot of things could have been worse. But it's one of those things that, this is what they're talking about with MotoGP, where the aero and the speed of these bikes down the start lines, start devices and the whole shot devices, and just, everything being as fast as it is now, you get sucked into these crashes happen because people just get sucked in with the air. They either brake too late and are in a draft and they can't, you don't expect to be going as fast as you do. And it causes stuff like this where it's just a concertina effect. One person hits another, and especially in the first couple corners where you have everybody this close together, this is the kind of thing that happens. Multiple bikes come together, there's bits and bobs, carbon fiber flying everywhere. And I mean, these aren't light bikes. They're 300-400 pounds. And, something like that coming around, hitting you is not exactly going to be a very good thing. But hopefully he's okay. Hopefully, just sore, nothing's broken, and whatever. But knock on wood for all of that. But comment down below, you guys tell me. Are you watching MotoGP this year? Are you kind of bored with it like I am, just being the Ducati championship that it is? Uh, Hopefully when the new regs come out in a couple years, it might be better. But comment down below, tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.